Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.